All right, I guess we'll get started for now. So let me share my screen. Before we do get started though, does anybody have like any suggestions on ideas that they would want to like pursue? No? Okay. Like any preferences, anything you guys were like, oh, I wanted to do this and maybe haven't had the time, or you just had maybe a side project idea that you wanted to go? Okay. All right. Yeah, well, I have some slides going over like different roles that everybody can take on. And for whoever is not here, they can get the last role. So let me present this real quick. Oh, that's not it. Here we go. All right. So project ideas. There's three proposals that I created from easy, medium to hard difficulty. I wanted to get like a grasp on the group on what we wanted to kind of go for. So these are the three ideas that I created. The first one was like a sports coaching marketplace. The second was an accounting AI financial assistant, and the last one was like a live coach for health vision. I'm going to go more into depth, but that's like the easy, medium difficulty. And if you guys have any questions, by the way, feel free to stop me. So this is the first one here. Can you guys see my screen, by the way? Let me move this here. I think I just X this out. All right, so if you guys can see this, so this is the sports coaching marketplace. What it essentially is like coaches create their profiles, whether their sport, their availability, their location, and either the potential clients or users can find these coaches and book them through the app. So say for example, I'm a tennis player myself, so I can go on this app, I can post a coaching profile, and people who want to play tennis can then go onto this app and say, hey, let me book this coach for maybe I can charge my own rate of $60. They can then book me for $60 and the app would get a $5 fee. The reason why I said this is an easy one is because it's really just a simple front end, back end, maybe a database and a Stripe API. And then obviously we would have the tech stack being Firebase and JavaFX because that's the course requirements. Any questions on this one so far? All right. Then the next one I had was the accountant AI. So a user essentially uploads a PDF, whether it's a tax return, audit report, or a financial statement. This app then uses that to extract the key figures, line items, dates. It's essentially just an AI tool for accountants to use. It's good because if you want to break into the financial field, combining both tech and finance, it's a great tool that we can maybe build. Again, these are all just ideas that we can go towards. If you guys were leaning towards something else, we can definitely do that. But this would be great experience to build LLM experience, learning AI models, different financial tools that we can possibly use. So this is the one I had that was a medium difficulty. See it? You like this one more than the first one? Okay, I'd like to hear that. And then the last one, this one's a lot more difficult. So this is essentially like a live cam AI. So whether you're using like Meta glasses or like your phone as a live stream, you would then be able to analyze what you're doing in real time. So say for example, I was eating an apple or a slice of pizza, there would basically be like a line that AI generates saying, hey, this apple has like 250 calories or this pizza is 400 calories, and that's how much you're intaking. And this is how close you are to getting to your goal. All right. Could you guys hear that? Do you need me to repeat it? Repeat it? Perfect. So yeah, this is a little bit more difficult because it's constant AI. It would take a lot of computing power. So this is a lot more difficult, especially anything that's constant AI. I'm sure you guys are aware, AI takes a lot of computing power. So doing something like this would be very difficult, but if we can manage it, it'd definitely be something to go towards. Mhm. Yeah. So no problem.